Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and I'm going to show you my new kit, but I'm also going to show you what it makes, because normally I just show you the pages, but this time I went ahead and made the journal all up and I have it to show you so you can see what you're going to get with the kit. Now this is what the kit looks like, and of course the pages, there's two parts, part one, part two, because it's 66 books in the Bible, so of course it's pretty big. Bigger than most of my journals. And so there's part one, part two, and here's what it makes. It's different than any other journal I've done because it's an accordion journal, or what's the other word? Concertina. Just because it does this where it opens up in an accordion. So this is how it looks made up, and you will glue in the first page. It opens up and here's a kind of table of contents, all the books of the Bible, and then of course it starts with Genesis and goes all the way through, and then you flip it over and it opens this way and does the other half, so 33 on one side and 33 on the other side, and then it also accordions out, and I've got it to where they glue together and make pockets. So you can put your cards and things in it. This is the simplest journal kit that I have put out there. So I mean, there's not a lot of, crazy stuff to do, but I think it's going to be really cool because, well, I love the artwork. I found some really cool artwork for each book that represents that book, and scriptures and things like that, and the color. Be sure you print on photo mat paper. The colors are just gorgeous, I think. So anyway, that's what that looks like. And I still have to put a title on my journal. And it still has a lot of room for more stuff in the pockets, but I just wanted to put a little bit in there to see how much room I had. So I have quite a bit of room. And I probably have tags in at least half of, probably more than half of the books. So anyway, that is it. Books for the Bible journal. It's available in King James and the New American Standard Version, because there are some have scriptures. And so whichever version you want, be sure you get that. And again, it's part one and part two out there on Etsy. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.